Naveen Kumari Godi. Did my masters from IIT Chennai in Water Resource Engineering in 2001. We have come up with leaf plates which are totally biodegradable and eco-friendly here in Hyderabad in Pirancheru near Pebble City. So in Abhyudaya Industries, we are manufacturing eco-friendly, biodegradable leaf plates. These leaf plates are made out of natural sal leaves which has got medicinal values, which is so good for the human beings and to the environment. Why I have come up with this product? See, when we see around, we find lot of plastic and lot of disposables which are so dangerous and carcinogenic. And when you happen to go around during festivals of Ganesh Chaturthi, the 9 days of the processions, you find disposables and plastic everywhere, and GHMC officials are slogging and trying hard to clean all this mess all over the city. So I thought, can't we come up with some good product which is both safe for the human being and to the environment? If you go for reusable plates, whether it is steel or fiber or ceramic, you need lot of water to clean them, and it becomes more expensive, and all the more precious water is being wasted just to clean the vessels. Instead of that, why don't we come up with a wonderful product which is so healthy to the human being and to the environment, and it creates employment much needed in this pandemic. I have a team of 10 ladies. Amongst them are teachers who lost their jobs in the pandemic. This is the leaf, the sal leaf. You can feel the leaf. We used to eat in these leaves when we were in our childhood, and our ancestors used to eat in their homes for every occasion, even every day. So how can we eat in this leaf? How can we hold this leaf in our hand? Now in this generation, we all are so busy that we want to have always buffet dinners, buffet. So we have come up with making it sturdy. So this is the plate which is so sturdy. So we have 6 sizes, a range of from 4.5 inches to 12.5 inches, and many more sizes and shapes are in the pipeline. At Abhyudaya Industries, we are zero waste industry. How? The waste of our leaf goes for composting, the LPD sheet goes for recycling. So we don't produce any waste that is going to the landfill. So ours is a zero waste industry, and we have a team of ladies who can deliver 5,000 to 6,000 plates and bowls every day. So we have coming up with customization of this product. Whatever requirement, however the customer needs, the shape or the sizes, we are ready to go with customization down the line. I take this opportunity to give a call to all the environmental lovers, nature lovers, to go forward with this product and make it this disposable cutlery and take it to your home. Abhyudaya Industries contact details are available on Evenneeds app and evenneeds.com, and you can reach out to me through this app and website. And once again, I thank you all and thank Josna and Evenneeds team. Thank you.